on the content page, you have the promotions tab. So here you can get started. So I'm going to use another channel that has already run a YouTube promotions on their channel. So as you can see on this channel, they've already spent $9.28 to run a YouTube promotions, and they have gotten 510 views, and these 510 views has earned them 107 subscribers. Does these subscribers count towards monetization? So I would like to just briefly go check this out. On the end page, it shows that this channel has already gotten 413 subscribers, and they need some few more to hit the 500 threshold. For those of you that have been asking that, does these subscribers gotten from paid promotions, do they count towards monetization? So we're going to see if they actually count. So mind you, here we have 413 subscribers that is eligible for the YouTube threshold, monetization threshold. So now let's go to the analytics of this channel and then click on see more, then go to lifetime. So we want to see the traffic sources of this subscriber count, and then let's go to the subscriber source, subscription source. Then when you check down here, let me just remove this. So when you check here, you see that this channel got 228 subscribers from the YouTube watch page, and then with the YouTube advertising, which is the YouTube promotions, they got 172 subscribers. So with others from other sources, if you check, you see that the total is 413 subscribers, including the one they got from the YouTube promotions. When you go to the end page, you still get the same 413. So this shows that their subscription or the subscribers you got through the YouTube promotions actually counts towards the YouTube monetization threshold. So you can see that with YouTube promotions, you can gain more subscribers, not even only views. You can imagine with 500 and something views, over 20% of the views was converted to subscription or subscribers. So this shows you how fast you can grow your subscriber base with YouTube promotions.